enjoy the night. Come on.
Let's go! Looking in her eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Woo! Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeding for you.
Everybody sing. Let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in mine, and baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're hard to hold.
Sabay, sabay!
And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Oh, oh,
Hey! I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you.
Everybody, come
Whatever
on!
it takes, I'll stay here with you. Take it to the good time, see it through the bad time. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Sa likod!
Hey!
Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're hard to hold. Somebody!
Say!
We can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need. And all that I wanna do is hold you forever, forever and ever. Yeah. Oh. DJ and guitar. Woo, woo. Come on. Put your energy. Come on. One more time, everybody say. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop
We
us.
can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
And nothing's gonna stop
We're
us.
inside of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world breaks out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Happy Fiesta Lapu-Lapu! Once again, a DJ and guitar, ladies and gentlemen! Yeah!
What's up, Lapu-Lapu? Grabe naman, kadaghan naman naturon. Asa manigi ka ni? Ay, sa bata diha sa likod!
Yun!
Grabe, kung sino kung kinsay pinakataas og energy karong gabi namin sorpresa. Manghatag mi og souvenir kay kinsa na nagdalaon sa mana.
Uy, naasili pa banner dira sa likod.
Shout out day sa mga fans club sa Sweet Nose Music diha sa kilid.
Nagi
Hello.
Fans Club, no?
Kinsay pinakataas og energy karong gabi eh.
Alright. Sa mga kusog kayong energy karong gabi, ay mong kabalaka na amoy mga souvenirs na madawat.
Depende sa makaagaw, ani. Ha? Alright, kinsa mga in love karong gabi, itaas dog kamot, be? Mga in love. Oh. Kaning next song, depende ra ni kung makarelate mo kung in veneers. Excited na ba kayong kumanta si BJ? Siyempre, dahil hindi kumpleto ang sweet notes kung wala si notes. Kung si sweet lang yung kakanta. Oh.
Ganun ba? Alright, next song namin. Sino mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music? Kinsay mahilig sa kinaraan? Adara. Kinsay mga isip bata? Johnny, Johnny. Ay, unya na. Unya na ta unya na ta mga children ha. Standby sa mga children. Og ingatan po nato atong mga dalang bata basig mga ipit sila. Next song para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa all-time favorite music. Kung kinsay pinakataas og energy, manghatag ni og jersey. There was sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there's something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. You're the one to make it stop. I don't wanna feel lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you say, but there's something left in my head. Lapu-lapu, say I want the way you're the feeling so strong, we're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is amazing. That's why you go away, I know. I was almost about to lose my faith. Asa naman itong kusog og energy? We're still dreaming. We feel it was too late. Ito pa rin tao sa taas oh. Come on! But then you came along to my surprise. If you know the words, sabay-sabay. Stole my heart before my very eyes. Labu-labu, I wanna hear you say, come on. You took me right, hey. Simply by showing that you love me too. Only by giving me your everything. So true. Kaya naman. You took me out of the blue. From my youngest years. Dito na siya. To this moment here. Grabe na guitar pulin, oh. I'll never... Are you ready?
Ayaw cool. Ayaw ko lang dito, ara.
Oh yeah!
Palakpakan naman, John!
Thank you! Oh yeah!
Gusto nyo pa ba? Of course. Alright, this next song, pupunta tayo sa pinaka-love song talaga. At itong next song namin is a song dedicated to the cancer patient. Alright? Yung patient po na ito, yung taong pong ito, nag-post po siya sa Facebook Gusto niya daw pong makita yung Sweet Notes at mapanood ang Sweet Notes music ng live. Yes po. At eto pong post na ito, nabasa po ni Kong at ni Mayor. Kaya narinig po yung panalangin niya through Kong and Mayor. So ang pasyente po na ito, ang cancer patient po na ito, ay patatayuin natin. Tawagin natin si Miss Maria Rosa Goryev. Tayo po kayo, ma'am. Makita po kayo ng mga taong nandito sa loob. Ayan po siya. Nandito po siya. Present po siya ngayong gabi. At it's all thanks to our congressman and to our mayor dahil narinig yung kanyang panalangin na napupunta po ang Sweet Notes dito ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman po natin. At isa po itong kantang to sa request niya. So, I hope you guys love this song also para sa inyong lahat.
Yeah, before we proceed, let's take this opportunity na i-dedicate na lang din yung song na to para sa lahat ng mga may pinagdadaanan po ngayong gabi. Ayan. Para sa inyo yung next song. My love, there's only you in my life. The only thing that's right.
My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
Sabay-sabay.
and I want to share all my love with you.
No one else
Will do. And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love.
You can sing along.
Two hearts that beat as one. Our lives has just begun. Forever,
Oh,
I hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. And I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure. You will know I don't
oh, you know I don't mind.
'Cause you mean the world to me. Oh, I know I'm found in you, my endless love.
Yes. Invite natin siya dito sa
Yeah,
stage.
ito po yung ating cancer patient po.
I'll be a fool for you, I'm sure. You would know I don't mind.
You know I don't mind.
And yes, you'll be the only one. 'Cause no, I can't deny this love I have inside, and I'll give it all to you.
My love,
My endless
Palakpakan ho natin. At sa lahat po ng mga may pinagdadaanan po ngayong gabi.
Yes.
Maraming
God
salamat
bless
po.
you all.
Yes, alalahanin po natin na mahal po tayo ng Panginoon. Lahat po ng mga dinadaanan natin ay may kabuluhan. Tama?
Yes,
Alright.
of course. Alright, this time, bigyan natin ng chance yung mga couples ngayong gabi. Sino ba mga couples ngayon? Mag-asawa, mag-jowa, or nagliligawan pa? Pwede yan.
Kanina.
Kahit nag-away pa kayo ngayong gabi, okay lang yan. So, tagaan na itong chance ang mga mag-partners karong gabi. Kung kinsa man ang makita, pinaka-sweet nga musayaw karong gabi, hatagan na itong surprise. Okay lang? Sige, tanaw na to kung mga proud ba mo sa inyong mga pares. Sige daw. Here's another song. Sweet, no bias. Unsa man, ihatag na ko ni kay Kong o kay Mayor. Kay sila man ang una. Bitaw, kani atong tagaan, kay sila man ang misunod kila Mayor o kay Kong ani sayaw. Salamat kaayo. Ilaging gihulat si Kong nga tindog ba. Salamat guys. So gusto ba mag OPM karong gabi? Kisay mahilig original Pinoy music. Sige matag English ganina no. Mag OPM na sa takaron, no? Kinsa ba yung mga Gen Z or mga millennials karong gabi? Na ba? Uy, naapod. Hatagan na to sila chance kay puro mga old songs man atong gikanta ganina. Karon para ni sa mga millennials, mga Gen Z. Come on, everybody sing with me. Here we go. Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, ibigin pa rin kita kahit ayaw mo na. Everybody! Tatakbo. Yeah! Come on! Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Everybody! O bakit ba? Pakiusap lang na wag ka nang lumihis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Sabay! Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo. Bumalik at muli ka rin aalis. Tatakbo ka ng mabilis, yayakapin ang mahigpit. Ang hirap pag di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ay pagbibigyan o nalilito lang kung saan. One more time! Tatakbo ka. Let's go! Woo! Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na wag ka nang lumihis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo pa. Sa likod! Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo'y malabo. Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Pwede bang isa pa? Everybody say!
O bakit ba kailangan kang umalis? Pakiusap lang na wag ka nang lumihis. Tayo'y mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Wag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit. Kahit di ka na sa'kin.
Thank you!
Alright. Mahilig pala kayo sa OPM.
Oh, yes.
Kinsa mga nakafollow diri sa Sweet Notes, pandemic days pa. Alright, next song. Kung sino makita na mo, pinakataas sa Pudog Energy, na pa may jersey diri, dagan kayo. Nagdala day mig merch. Naalala ninyo kung nakabalita mo nga nag-concert for Akosmi para sa Northern Cebu. Na may nabilin nga mga merch nga among gibaligya dito sa Jensen, na pa'y nabilin, wa mahalin. Amo na lang ihatag diri karon gabi, okay ra?
Okay ra.
Kabalo ko, next song na mo. Para sa lahat ng mga nag-follow sa Sweet Notes since pandemic, sigurado kabalo mo ni next song. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Kaya nga'y waring gulong-gulong ang puso ko't isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka, at sa tuwin ay nababalisa. Dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan magtitiis ilihim ang pag-ibig ko.
Labo-labo!
Everybody sing! Ano gawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais ko malaman mo na iniibig kita. Asa mo mga in love, diri ka ng gabi eh. Yeah. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong kagandahan, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. One more time!
Everybody!
Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman nyo na iniibig ko siya. Nais kong malaman nyo na I love you very much.
Love love you too.
Eh,
Love you all, guys.
we love you mga ka-sweet notes.
So, mamimigay na tayo ngayon. Sige. Meron tayo dito, meron pang marami. So, katong kanta ni BJ kanina, para to sa mga naay ginamahal karong gabi or iniibig karong gabi. Akong next song, para sa mga gibinuangan karong gabi.
Hey!
Aray ko. Dagha gibinuangan karong gabi. Aray ko. Come on, sing with me. Here we go. Niloko mo, winasak mo, pati mga pangarap ko. Ilan kaya ang tulad mo? Bakit ganyan ang puso mo? Sabay-sabay! Natanawa. Wow! Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay, bilis naman sinubay, nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? Meron ako na sa gilid. Sayang di ko kaabot dito sa likod. Let's go! Nilason mo ang isip ko, ang puso at damdamin ko. Anong sakit sa aking dibdib, ang pag-ibig na alay mo. Pwede mo one more time! Natatawa ko naman. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay, bilis naman sinubay, nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? Ano ba rin? Natatawa ko na marinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka na iba. Halos kahapon lang sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Ukay, bilis naman sinubay, nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Ilan kayang mga babae ang paluluhain mo pa? Natatawa ko nang marinig ko ang balita, mayroon ka na iba. Maraming salamat po! Woo! Gusto pa ata nila ng jersey. Yes! Gusto pa ang OPM pa ba? OPM? Gusto nyo na pang sumayaw? Sige, ubusin natin muna yung mga love songs para sulit naman yung pagpunta nyo ngayong gabi. Alam ko maraming dancer dito. Alright!
Next song para sa lahat ng mga may long distance relationship. Sino dito namimiss ang kanilang mga minamahal? Atong kumustahon, be? Kung reply pa ba? Kinsa ni Ato diri walay partners? Atong kumustahon. Next song. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din. mga gabi mapanglaw ay dinadaan sa awitin. Nalulungkot kong damdamin, naaalin na rin.
Labo-labo! Everybody sing together!
Everybody! Parang laging ikaw, sinta. Oh yeah! Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo kay parang kapiling ka, mahal. O kayo naman, everybody sing! Okay lang gihapon. Malalim na itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kung mayayakap lamang kita, lamig hindi nadarama. Pamataan, sabay-sabay. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, sinta. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na malayo kay parang kapiling ka, mahal. O kayo naman, sing! Kumusta? Kumusta ka, aking my love? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y huwag mong intindihin, nakakaraos din. Kumusta ka, aking my love?
Palakpakan naman dyan! Woo! Grabe.
Always spread love para sa lahat ng mga may nagmamahalan ngayong gabi.
Maraming nakarelate sa kanta. Maraming mga LDR ngayong gabi. Woo! Napakaganda ng kanta na yon. Salamat! And this time, sino po ba mga mahilig dito sa air supply? This time, I'm gonna give you another song para sa inyo lahat. Hope you like this one.
Had a lot of big dreams, I've made a lot of bad moves. I know you could walk away, but you never do. Come on. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your hand. And you say you love me, say you always treat me the best that you can. You say as I am, just as I am. Sino ba mga in love dito ngayong gabi? Kato mga walay partner na po. Kasi walay partner diya. Ha? When she looks at me, I know the girl sees things nobody else can see. And all of the secrets fears inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. Come on, everybody sing. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. So, come on, babe. And the fate is something I never know before. Come on, babe, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more. Come. Whoa. Sino mga in love dito ngayong gabi? Sino mga naniniwala sa forever ngayong gabi? Taas kamay! Napabay forever sa Lapu-Lapu. Para sa tanang wala pa naka-move on diri karong gabi eh. Mag-move on na ta. Kay hapit na mag-New Year. I have the ring that needs your finger. I want you always to remember. Oh, want you to be part of my dreams. I can feel your love that touches me. I can hear you whispering you wanna stay close to me.
Lapu-Lapu! Come on!
Every day and every night.
I never thought your love could be so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't let go. One more time. I can't let go. I can't let go. You're part of me. Don't you know? You join the top.
Gusto niyo pa ba? Ito next song natin para sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal ngayong gabi. Hope you like this one. Hope you stay with me, guys.
Time to start. I'm lost for words that's not like you. Only your eyes could know the way that I feel. Oh, how much I need you now with me. Sabay! Young love, so strong, has never been a part of me. Young love, hold on.
and gentlemen, once again, let me introduce the man in guitar. Once again, BJ! Let's get it on! Woo!
I'm songless without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love, but I'm all without you. I can't be too late to say that I was so wrong. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not the role I usually play. Don't speak too much on what's been gone. When the past is over and gone, give me a drop of mine, you know it's you. I can do so much for you.
Labo, labo!
I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay, I never go away. It's alright, having you near me, holding you near me. Love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. Gusto niyo pa ba? Ubusin na natin to. Another song. I was the lonely one, wondering what went wrong, what love had gone and left me lonely. I was so confused, feeling like I'd just been used. Then you came to me, and my loneliness left me. I used to think I was trying to avoid it. That was a heartbreak, but now that I found you, come on, even the nights are better. Now that we're here together, even the nights are better since I found you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Even the days are brighter with someone you love's beside you. Even the nights are better since I found you. Now the night is gone, now the night is gone away. Doesn't seem that long we hardly had to words to say. Come on, hold me in your arms for just another day. I promise this one will go slow. We had the right to know. We had the right. Sabay-sabay. Here I am, asking for another day. Understand the one that you love loves you in some
Last, kung sino pinakamataas ang energy ngayong gabi. Diyan sa likod, are you ready? Sa likod daw, takabog na sa likod No dance alone 1,000 times. The songs that no one else could even hear. I'm reaching to the flame of love. I couldn't hold it to disappear. I've lived to learn to hate the truth. I live with everything that's you. I can't believe my eyes. I see you here, looking just the way you should. Oh, oh, so good, it's too good to be true. I live my life to be lying here with you. Oh, still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes. Maraming salamat.
This is our Air Supply once again. Thank you so much. Woo! Yeah! Sayaw na ba kayo? Magwa one last love song tayo bago tayo magsasayawan.
Before we proceed sa ating next song, gusto namin batiin yung lahat ng mga tao na nasa labas. Okay lang ba tayong lahat dyan? Kaway-kaway.
Yes!
Nakikita ba tayo sa LED dyan sa labas?
Sana hindi na umuulan, no?
Mag-ingat ho tayo dyan sa labas. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na suporta.
Yes, and enjoy the show outside. Salamat po. This time, pwede po kami mag-request po. I-turn on natin yung mga flashlight ng ating cellphone. Okay lang? Sige daw, atong ipakita sa tibuok kalibutan unsa takadaghan karong gabi eh.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Come on, flashlight,
Come on.
flashlight!
More flashlights, mas nindot ka itanawon. Alright? And let's sing this wonderful song together para sa inyong lahat. Hope you like this. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. Your love can be, babe, I wanna catch on fire.
Flashlight, flashlight!
It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light to me that I couldn't find. Everybody say, so when I'm on your top, one more time. Every time we sing, beautiful. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Come on! Lovers in the night. Come on! Poets run around.
Alright, wave your flashlight, wave!
We don't know how to rhyme, but now we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. To part of me that's you forever and I. So when I'm on your top and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. One more time. Swear I'm on your top and I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down
and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Sayawan na! Come on! Everybody jump! Woo! Kaya sinabi siya sumayaw, party people! Come on!
People say that I'm
Yes, come on!
alive and know.
Yeah!
Hey! At least I found what it takes to be
Sa mga gusto mo
strong.
sayaw diha, come on!
I was dreaming all day long, drifting clouds.
Oh!
With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see.
Here we go! And 1, and 2, go!
Now I don't want to see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game.
Woo!
Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
Sa likod, sabay-sabay!
Say good morning to the world.
Yes, come on!
Hope you like
Woo!
it. Hey! Take good care of all those things that we
Nasaan na
have.
yung mga dancer natin?
I've been looking for a way too long now.
Everybody dance, come on!
Seems like everything must come to an end.
Lapu-lapu! And 1, 2, dance!
No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling,
Sabay!
please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but nothing through it all. Day after day, leaving the past behind.
Everybody dance, come on!
Coming to terms with stitches and burns and learning to fly again.
Let's do it one more time, come on!
Let's go! Now I don't want to see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg a darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg a darling, please.
Lapu-lapu, ilabas ang mga energy, come on! Let's enjoy the night, party people! Woo! You can join us here, come on! Woo! Come on! Don't be shy! Woo! Tayo na mga gusto sumayaw! Woo! Gusto nyo ba mag-enjoy ngayong gabi? Sayawan na! Let's go! Today life's fading slowly, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel it. I cannot lie.
Sayawan na!
From you I cannot hide, and I'm losing the will to try. Can't hide if I let's go side. So go on, come on, leave me breathless and me tease It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. And I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't sabay-sabay. So go on, go on. Come on, leave me breathless and tease me until I can deny this loving feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, go on, yeah. Happy Fiesta, Lapu-Lapu City!
Gusto nyo bang sumayaw? Kinsay hilig og reggae music, diritaas ka mo! Gusto namin uuwi tayong lahat na masaya, pinagpapawisan. Pwede ba yun? Labo-labo! Sabay-sabay! 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah! Lakasan! Jaming lang ang tanan, ipingan sa tugtog. Sabay si Jinjin, aking amiga, ngamot dayog sa ulo para mamino sa sunat ang agiligan. Pasabukid sa kong amigo nga atso kayo. Atso! Kamupalit ko pagkaret sa pinumanggid ang kaha. Kung pantalya, makikistorya sa tindera. Maliit kong may nakabantay. Kuya ko, mapalga sa silingan na nagsulod-sulod. Nilimutang mabisay si mama, paistoryaho. Diyos ko na, ayan ka na naman. Ang feeling ko sa'yo ay huwag pasobrahan. Gumamit na ng tama na kanya sa isipan. At ang kalilimutan ng sermon ni Lexbra.
One more time!
Say,
Ay, kamaog yun, kamaog! Woo!
Libyasunan!
Sabay sayaw! Sayaw na sayaw! Sayaw, ay, sayaw! Hey, hey, hey! Woo! Asa na mga dancer niya? Kiay! Woo! Ha!
Mapaulo daw ang inyong tapok. Kasabay kong amigo ug amiga. Takay-takay, ang Jinjin ug si Pipa. Sa bulsa paliho ko sa lighter. Kaya ko nang andamon. Bako ug lamisa sa area.
Sayaw
Way
na si
magkatugaw, mas gilangaw. Magbinuang walay maginalaw. Gaw kay kung ako maglagot. Lisunaw magatok. Katalakura na imong kaiso. Ayaw sige ginambog. Ug pabinong layok. Katalakura na imong kaiso. Ayaw sige ginambog. Ug pabinong
May sa
layok.
likod!
Katalakura na imong kaiso. Ayaw sige ginambog. Ug pabinong layok. Katalakura na imong kaiso. Ayaw sige ginambog. Ug pabinong layok. Say, hey, 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 yeah. Yeah. Wayay, wayay, wayay. Hey, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Ay! Bolivia Swila! Ahoy! Sayaw-sayaw sa way mahay! Come on!
ginambog ug pabinulay og katalakura na imong kaisog ayaw sige ginambog ug pabinulay og katalakura na imong kaisog ayaw sige ginambog ug pabinulay og katalakura na imong kaisog
Sayaw na!
ayaw sige ginambog ug
1, 2,
pabinulay og
go!
ayaw kul sabak
One more time, one more time. Hey! Hey! Bolivia's freedom! Bolivia's freedom! Palakpaki, palakpaki, palakpaki!
Nag-enjoy na ba tayong lahat ngayong gabi? Sino mahilig sa reggae music ngayong gabi? Ay na mo kaulaw, manayaw na tang tanan. Come on, sayawan na, sayawon! Yan sa gawas! Hey! By the rivers of Babylon, hey! Hey! There we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion.
Uy, sayaw, sayaw!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion. There's the weak, dizzy, carrying Zion. Captivity, require past the song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in these streets?
Uy, pagkiay na, kiay, kiay!
There's the weak, dizzy, carrying Zion. Captivity, require from us the song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in these streets?
1, 2, 3, go!
By the rivers of Babylon, hey! There we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion.
One more time!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Grabe ang energy!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion. Hey! Let the world on my mouth, on the meditations of our heart,
Hey!
be acceptable in this sight here tonight. Oh, let the word on my mouth, on the meditations of our heart, be acceptable in
Uy,
this
patong na
sight
yun.
here
Sabay,
tonight.
sabay!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip.
Alingaw!
Now I remember Zion.
Let's go!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion. There's the weak dizzy carrying us a Zion captivity, require from us this song.
Hey!
Now how shall we sing
Ay,
the
grabe,
Lord's song?
grabe ang energy!
Woo! There's the weak dizzy carrying us a Zion captivity,
Ay, nindot,
require
nindot.
from us their song.
Hey!
Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in this strange land?
Come on, dance!
Let the word on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in the sight here tonight. Oh, let the word on my mouth and the meditations
Uy,
of
sa taas,
my
ayaw mo diya!
heart be acceptable in the sight here tonight.
One more time!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion.
One more time!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Yeah, yeah, we whip. Now I remember Zion.
Hey! Gusto niyo pa ba?
Grabe. Before we proceed, pwede ba tayo mag-picture sa para namin remembrance diri sa Lapu-Lapu nga grabe kadaghan ang tawo. Pwede ba nato itaas ang atong mga kamot? Gikan sa unahan hangtod sa likod, itaas ang kamot. Tulo ni siya ka picture diri sa kilid ug diha sa tubangan ug diri pod sa pikas kilid. Alright, 3, 2, 1, taas ka mo! Pagkahuman na ni picture na mo duha ni Charlotte, ubano na to sila Mayor ha ug si Kong. Alright, picture sa mi. Alright, 3, 2, 1, taas ka mo! Taas ka mo! Ayaw na mo gwaki kay di man makita. Taas kamay lang. 3, 2, 1, say eh! Say alright! Say oh yeah!
Ato sa tawagon sila Kong og si Mayor after sa side by side na mo. Alright.
Taas na to ang atong mga kamot. Taas kamot. Kana diya sa likod. Taas kamot. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Taas kamot. Dahil sa hamong picture sa ta. 3, 2, 1. A. B. C. A, B, C, D. Oh, one more. Diri sa tubangan. Taas kamot. Otro. Diri sa tubangan. Pato sa likod. Taas kamot.
Okay.
Say A. Happy Fiesta!
Wait lang sa cellphone. Sa cellphone, sa sweet
Sir,
notes.
kadali lang, sir, ha?
Ah.
Manon sa namo niya mong picture. Alright, 3, 2, 1, say A! Alright!
Alright. Alright.
Okay, diri na po sa kilid. Ay mong palabot, dapat makita po mo. Itaas na to ang atong mga kamot. 3, 2, 1, say A! Alright! Wapata mahuman ha, manayaw bata.
Okay, tawagon na to si Kong og si
Kong.
Mayor.
Kong, pwede may magpa-picture, Kong, Mayor?
Yes. Para...
Oh, kana, para nami, remembrance ba? Grabe, mga taga Lapu-Lapu. Nalipay batang tanan karon. Wapata mahuman, napatay sa non-stop disco. Alright, 3, 2, 1, taas kamot. Ala, muluhod din ni si Kong. Salamat
Ayan
kayo.
na.
Oh, one more.
Sige.
3, 2, 1. Taas kamot. Happy Fiesta, Lapu-Lapu! One, Lapu-Lapu. Taas kamot. One, Lapu-Lapu. Yeah!
Daghang salamat. Woo.
Salamat,
Thank you,
Kong.
Mayor. Thank you, Kong.
Mayor, daghang
Salamat
salamat.
kayo.
Salamat.
Alright. Napapay energy! Andam pa mo sayaw!
Kinsay hilig og reggae music diri karong gabi eh. Kinsay mga nagagandahang dalaga taas kabot.
Hey!
Yama!
Tama!
Brand new style Bastardo. Jensen Independence malayang at sutras sabay-sabay. Jensen! Hey! Yo girl, lasing gabi-gabi, nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako, lango-lango ako sa iyong ganda.
Come on!
Talaga, yo girl, lasing gabi-gabi, nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako,
Kanag yun, sayang yun!
lango ako sa iyong ganda.
Come on!
Talaga, yo girl, lunod sa kalasingan, habang minamasdan ng ganda mo, para kang anghel sa kalangitan na bumaba para makasama ko. Oh, ano saya, hindi ko mapigilan nang ikaw nagnasa kinayhatid mo. Tulot ay aliw sa aking mga mata, nagininig kumikisap dahil sa'yo. Sa katulad mong babae na malabirhin, payag akong maging isang deboto mo.
Sali ko!
Payag ka rin maging aking galang, at payag ka rin ikay aking pakasalan. Come on! Yo girl, lasing gabi-gabi, nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako, lango-lango ako sa iyong ganda.
One more
Talaga,
time!
yo girl, lasing gabi-gabi, nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako, lango-lango ako sa iyong ganda. Yo, utak ko'y lutang na lutang, ikaw ang laman ng isipan ko. Gustong makapiling, gustong makamdan, pagkat ikaw ang pinapangarap ko. Sa tuwi-tuwi na'y laging naaali, pero pag di ka nakita para bang mababal. Laging kitang hinahanap sa pagilat ng mata, hinahanap ng sistema ko ang iyong ganda. Pag ako ay nangihina, ikaw vitamin ako, lalo pag ikay kasama mas ganado pa ako. Na kumain ng marami para lalong pumayat, di ko mapigilan dahil sa iyong
Sabay!
ganda.
One more time!
Yo girl, nalalasing gabi-gabi. Nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako. Langong-lango ako sa iyong ganda. Talaga, you girl, lasing gabi-gabi. Nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako. Langong-lango ako sa iyong ganda. Utak ko'y lutang na lutang. Ikaw ang laman ng isipan ko. Gustong makapiling, gustong makamtan, pagkat ikaw ang pinapangarap ko. Sa tuwi-tuwi na'y laging naaaliw, pero pag di ka nakita para mang mababaliw. Lagi kitang hinahanap sa pagilat ng mata. Hinahanap ng sistema ko ang iyong ganda. Pag ako ay nanghihina, ikaw vitamina ko. Lalo pag ika'y kasama, mas ganado pa ako. Kumain ng marami para lalo tumawa. Di ko mapigilan dahil sa iyong ganda.
Sabay!
Yo girl, lasing gabi-gabi. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako. Lango ako sa iyong ganda. Come on! Yo girl, lasing gabi-gabi. Nalalasing ako sa iyong ganda. Sa sobrang ganda mo, nalalasing ako. Lango ako sa iyong ganda.
Do you want more?
Hey!
Come on!
Yo, greetings to all the single ladies here in Lapu-Lapu. Put your hands in the air, come on.
Come on.
Hey! Put your hands in the air, Charlie God, come on. Say ho. Say hey, hey, ho. Say dooby-dooby-dap-dap, dooby-dooby-dap-dap, dooby-dooby-dip-dip. Everybody say, girl, you're my angel. Come on. Closer than my peeps you are to me. Wow,
Baby,
wow. Shaggy.
shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Come on, help me.
Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in need.
Wow,
Lady.
wow, wow.
Focus one day, cause they wanna still on. A post gonna have your back when it's all done. It's all got on with the hot air fun. I can't be a pulse on the long run. Nothing but satire, we are some son. I said we're not giving our moms attention.
Yeah.
She was here from my consideration. I wanna show the nation of my appreciation.
Come on! Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby.
Closer than
Come
my
on.
peeps you are to me.
Grabe yung energy dito.
Baby,
Shaggy.
shawty, you're my
Shaggy.
angel.
Shaggy.
You're my darling
Shaggy.
angel.
Shaggy.
Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
Yeah.
Lady.
You're a queen, I know you're so better. I know what the thing, but I love it that's needed.
Yeah.
But I think what I can't touch a heated, a talking that beated, and it's so completed. Mama said that's how the nose is a program, not to tell us we're running out of my son.
Yeah.
I'm not feeling that the half of you was so song. I've been thinking this so long, I'm Mr. Lover.
Yeah. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby.
Closer than my peeps you are to
Wow.
me.
Come on.
Baby,
Come on.
shawty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
Listen,
Lady.
listen. Hey! Abi niya ubok singira, kay dakong paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya ubok singira, kay dakong paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya og labandira, dili man gwapa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya ubok singira, kay dakong paa.
Pero naibog na
Listen,
siya.
hoy, daghang kaingon nga maot kag nawong. Hoy, ayaw ka malaka, ako rang
Hoy,
iuton.
hoy.
Ako giadto sa mga kantsaw nga akong uyab daw angin-angin o gabaw.
Woo!
Grabe, kaayo mga tawa, lami ipabaligi ang ipagkulata.
Yeah.
Paabot lang ta sa panahon nga akong uyab magwapang yun ni
Come on,
Puhong.
say, girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Shaggy, Shaggy.
Closer than my peeps you are to
Hey,
me.
come on.
Baby, shorty, you're my angel.
Hey.
You're my darling angel.
Shooby-dooby-dooby-dooby-dooby.
Girl, you're my friend when I'm
Yeah.
in need.
Yeah.
Lady,
Hey.
girl, you're my angel. You're my darling
Hey.
angel.
Shaggy.
Closer than my peeps you are to me.
Shaggy.
Baby,
Shala.
shawty, you're
Shala.
my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need. Lady.
Shaggy. Shaggy.
Hey,
Shaggy.
hey, want more? Para sa lahat ng mga millennials ngayong gabi, mga batang 90s, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Come on! Everybody sing with me this song. Para sa inyo lahat, hope you like this one. Woo! If you don't understand, you can sing along. Here we go. We were both young when I first saw. I close my eyes and the flashback stars. I'm standing there.
Oh, millennials, sabot na, millennials, millennials.
On a balcony in summer air. Here we go. See the lights, see the party, the ball guys. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know, everybody, that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you, please don't go. Everybody say, and I said, somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Hey, hey. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet, 'cause we're dead if the news of love's your right. Escape this town for a little while. Oh, 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 'cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me, I was begging you, please don't go. Everybody say, and I said, go! Somewhere we can be alone, I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the princess, I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo say, baby, try to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid to make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. Lago, let's sing this British song. Come on. I get tired of waiting with the ring. If you would ever come in around, but fading you was fading. When I met you on the outskirts in town, I said, I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never promised this. In my head, I don't know what you think. One to the ground and pull out the ring inside. You'll never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. Talk to your dad, go peek at a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yeah. We were both young when I first saw you. Come on!
Jopay, kumusta ka na? Palagi kitang pinapanood, nakikita. Jopay, pasensya ka na. Wala rin kasi akong makausap at kasama.
Pwede ba tayo sumabay? Come on!
Say, huwag ka nang mawala. Huwag ka nang mawala.
Woo!
Ngayon,
Everybody!
say, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. lagi kang masaya. Jopay, buti na lang nariyan ka, hindi na ako mag-iisa.
Sabay-sabay! Come on!
So, hey! Huwag ka nang,
Here we go!
huwag ka nang mawala ngayon. Everybody! Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo.
Reach ang guitar! May energy pa ba? This time sabay-sabay tayo. Lapu-Lapu City. Come
Pwede
on!
ba tayong sumabay? Sa likod, come on! Say! Huwag ka nang mawala. Huwag ka nang mawala.
Huwag ka nang mawala.
Ngayon! Won! O kayo naman! Say! Dadal di tayo alis tayo
Sa tunay na mundo. Come on!
dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo.
Woo! Hey, hey! Palakpakan naman, John!
Grabe.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Aring next song na mo, kinsay mga Bisaya karong gabi. Mga bisdak. Karong ka na i-request ha. Kay puro daw ta mga English, mga Tagalog. Magbisaya na po daw ta. Kinsay gusto Bisaya nga kanta.
Alright, para sa nag-request, magbinisaya daw, may ibe. Sige daw, be.
Sige.
Alright, come on.
Atong tagaan ng mga kusog energy.
Hey!
Woo!
Hey! Hey! Inisinlak sa adlaw sa sayo sa kabuntagon.
Hey!
Sa mga Bisaya niya! Masuduta ang katahuman ng kalibutan.
Oy!
Hidayan-dayan sa naghigmatang kalanggaman. Nga nanangawi ng kabukiran. Umong padulong sa pagsalop sa kahapunon. O sa dugan nga walay naglaylay. Sa kasing-kasing nga way nagsabnay. Sa makay tatay nga wa katagay ay nangalaay.
Sabay!
1, 2, 3,
Go!
O kinabuhi, yug-yugon di na mo gahi. O imong litkon, muhuyo siya man hinon. Way kinutuban, way hunong ang yang gidulngan. Wow! Ay, nganong sakiton man. sa adlaw sa sayo sa kabuntagon. Oh yeah! Masudta ang katahuman ning kalibutan. Sayawi diha, sayawi. Gidayan-dayan sa nahing mata nga kalanggaman. Wow! Lo! Nga nanangawi ni kabukiran. O magpadulong sa pagsalop sa kahaponon. O sa dukan nga walay naglaylay. Sa kasing-kasing away nagsapnay. Sama kay nanay nga nakatagay ay nangalipay. 1, 2, 3, go! O kinabuhi, yug-yugon din na mugahi. O imong pugsyon, muhuyos naman hinoon. Way kinutupan, way hunong ang yang gitulngan. Ay, 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 nganong sakit mo.
O, isa pa! One more time!
O kinabuhi, yug-yugon din na mugahi. O imong pugsyon, muhuyos naman hinoon. Doon sa naman itong way kinutupan, way hunong ang yang gitulngan. Ay, 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 nganong sakiton man. Ay, ay, ay,
Ay, ay, ay!
ay, ay, ay,
Ay, ay, ay!
nganong sakiton man. Ay, ay, ay,
Ay, ay, ay!
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 Okay pa ba tang tanan?
As-
Nag-request, bisag unsa nga awit, basta gikan kay Max Urban.
Oy! Kailan mo kay Max Urban?
Oo, ako ng angkol. Uyuan ako, no?
Uyuan dahil ni mo na.
Alright, para sa nag-request ni another song from Max Urban, way masuko ha, kay awit ra ni among giawit. Kung kinsay makat... Way manghagis kay pinuti habol. Para sa tanang bag-orang gipanganak karong gabi eh. Kanang mga wapay buhok. Kinsay wapay buhok niya. Tagaan na itong jersey.
Amo!
Dako niyang problema.
Oy!
Iyang buhok nga labong, perti ng nipisa, nahadlok siyang maupaw. Basig mo pangit, iyang hitsura, dara! Hiso siyang itlog, Oscar! May tayubong pa, og dunay lana. Haskang di malasa, walay buhok hintubo, gitong anhinoon siya, og kaspa. Masinaw yun, sir. Tungod sa kabalaga, gipakonsultas doktor nga espesyalista, pasyente gaduda. Kay ang doktor perti siyang upawa, kunya ang resulta. Matud pa sa doktor nga okay na. Kanang inyong kaupaw, ayaw lang kabalaka, kay madugay maanad ramo. Ambot nga no, dagan dihang mga upaw o kulo. Apan ang bungot o balahibo, labong paman kaayo. Hala ka diya, ang atong ulo, diya sa may hubon ug alim ulo. Kining dapitag yun sa tawo, maugayoy makalbo. Tambag murag pasiaw, ang labong langaw, tambal kunos ka upaw, inusnos lang sa ulo. Buhok mo tubo, tagsa kadangaw, hoy! Iyak kining gituman, lagyong ginusnos kini adlaw-adlaw. Bali usak simana, gisusigitan aw, ang upaw hingsamot kasinaw. Pastilan, ambot ngano, Dagan di ang mga upaw o ulo, apat ang bungot, balahibo, paman. Hoy, okay na mo
Okay
diya?
na mo diri sa gilid? Ha?
Dako niyang problema, iyang buhok nga labong, pirti ng nipisa, nahadlok siyang maupaw. Basig mo gwapo, iyang hitsura, hingtan-aw siya sa samin. Iyang nawong murag simod siya baktin. Sa likod o kilid, murag silito lapid. Apat ang ibabaw, siboy abunda. Oscar!
Grabe.
Dagan salamat sa atong mga nag-request yung Bisaya, ha?
Salamat!
Oh, yeah!
Yes! Kinsa ba'y mga mag-friendship karong gabi? Nabay mga magbarkada karong gabi?
Oh, change bit,
Magbarkada
change bit.
daw. Okay. Kaning next song para ni sa tanang mga mag-friendship karong gabi. Kung naay mong friend, dira tupad nimo, guniti ang kamot. Yes. And let's sing this wonderful song together. Come on. And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say
Mga mag-friendship, come on!
that I do believe I love you. And then I should never go away. Will you close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today? And then if you can remember, if you know the song, everybody say,
Come on!
keep smiling,
Smile!
keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure.
Okay
Everybody,
naman! Say!
forget time
Good time!
and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Guniti mong mga amigo, guniti amiga. Will you give up in me? And now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you and then for the times when we're apart. Well, to close your eyes and know this words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, oh, sing it louder.
Keep smiling,
Keep smiling.
keep shining. Know you can always count on
You know.
me for sure.
Everybody sing.
That's what friends are for. In good times
Good time.
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Yeah.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me for sure. And that's what friends are for. For good times
Good time.
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, know you can always count on me. Oh, for sure. Tell me, baby, that's what friends are for. In good times
Good time.
and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
That's what friends are for. Palakpakan lahat ng mga magkakaibigan ngayong gabi. Always spread love sa lahat ng mga magkakaibigan. Peace.
Alright, palakpakan naman yung mga sarili. Grabe. Before tayo mag-proceed sa ating remaining songs, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman yung mga sarili ninyo. Sana po, naging masaya po yung gabi ninyo at yung fiesta po ninyo. And of course, meron lang po tayong mga pasasalamatan ngayong gabing ito. Kundi dahil sa kanila, wala pong sweet notes ngayon. So, pasalamatan natin, of course, ang our Honorable City Mayor, Cindy King Chan. Palakpakan naman po natin. Mayor, thank you so much for having us here. Of course, our dearest Honorable Congressman, Junard Ahong Chan. Palakpak po, so!
Mayor, Kong, Mayor, salamat po.
Of course, our ABC President, Jasmine King Chan. Thank you so much also. And to our Honorable Vice Mayor, Celsi Sitoy and Kaabag Council. And of course, to all the officials na nandito ngayong gabi, thank you guys for the love and support and for having us here sa inyong fiesta din sa Lapu-Lapu City. Og naalang may isa pa ka-announcement para sa inyong tanan. Ang Sweet Notes Music mo release na sa among original song this coming December. Unta inyong suportahan, guys! Salamat kaayo. That's our first single na i-release karong December. I hope you guys will like it. Salamat kaayo. Gusto pa mo? Padayon pa.
Alright,
Tuloy ang kasiyahan.
next song namin, kinsay naka mga batang 90s dire karong gabi, mga batang 90s. Kinsay naka-idol dire kay Hanamichi Sakuragi. Hey! Para sa tanang mga batang 90s. Come on! Here we go! 멈칫 흐지를 씻는 세리 한시리 맞추면 지루니까 따뜻한いつものように感動を君に夢中なことに分けられてないのにその腕は頼むことはないいつも何か瞳本番を照らしまたい離さない古かない Crazy for you 君の好きなの叫びたい明日を変えてみよう通り過ぎと時を見つけはしない君の好きなの叫びたい夕焼けにくるまそうこの熱い想いを受け取りてほしい騒いでブルワに逃げらうてブルー節何気ない君の視線に酔いしれ笛をせとるようだ踊らせれてるような刀にことにもう嘘明日からいつになれば変わる雲のCrazy for you 君が好きなの叫びたい何もかも抜け捨てどこにすかどことかを見つけはしない君が好きなの叫びたい分弱い返さないいつも目の上だけ遠い目はね受けてるしSpeech and guitar, ladies and gentlemen! Woo! One more time! 君が好きかの叫びたい明日を変えてみよう通り過ぎと時を見捨てはしない君が好きだと叫びたい夕焼けに振る舞そう
Hala, sa mga gusto pa mo sayaw, dihan! Let's give it dancing, come on! Ha, 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 ha!
Alright, we give
May
her,
energy, come on!
we give her last 2 songs. Maraming salamat.
Even other words, everybody say. 25 years of my life and still I'm trying to get up that great big hill of
Hala,
hope
sige, sayaw eh!
for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of men. Hey! For whatever that means. Even other words, everybody say. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? Everybody say. And I said, hey, say, one more time, and I said, woo, I said, hey, say, I am, yeah, hey, come on. Everybody. And I tried. Oh my God, no, I tried. I tried all the time. In this instant to shine. And I pray. Oh my God, no, I pray. I pray for single day. Forever the shine. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. Come on. And so wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? One more time. And I said, wow! I said, hey, what's going on? Sa likod! And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? One more time. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Woo! Ayan, palakpakan naman yung mga masarili natin. Thank you so much sa mga nagpaiwan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sa taas, salamat! Woo! 25 years of life and still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. Come on! Here we go! Gusto ba? Isa pa ba? Isa pa ba? Isa pa or tama na? Alright! We'll give you more! Dahil nandito pa kayo, masaya pa ang lahat. Come on! Let's keep enjoying the night. Once again, happy fiesta to everyone!
Happy birthday, Dayan. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Gusto nyo pa isa lang? Ayan, magtatapos na po kami. At gusto po namin magpasalamat once again sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayong gabi. Palakpakan naman yung mga sarili. And of course, I would like to thank once again Congressman John Art Ahong
And
Chan.
Mayor.
Maraming salamat to Mayor Cindy Chan. Maraming salamat.
po. Palakpakan naman
Yes.
natin sila, Mayor. Palakpakan! Right, thank you so much.
And so, we're gonna give our last song guys once again. Kami pong Sweet Tones Music. Sana po patuloy niyo po kami suportahan. Happy Fiesta Lapu-Lapu City! Thank you guys! Come on! Hey! Thank you so much! Salamat, salamat! Salamat kayo!
Salamat!
Come on!
Salamat at tayo'y magkasamang muli. Salamat at may gabi nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan.
Salamat!
Salamat, tayo'y magkasamang muli. Salamat at sa pagbawi ng uhaw ay may darating na araw. Hey! Kay kami ng ating samahan sa
Lungkot at kaligayahan.
atong tawagon si Kong. Tawagon nato si Kong.
Tunay na kaibigan.
Come on, Kong, Mayor, dali.
Kasamang maasahan.
Dagan salamat, Mayor.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Tayo'y may pinagsamahan.
Hey!
Salamat. Tunay kong kaibigan. Salamat! Woo! Once again, dagang salamat ug happy fiesta! Lapu-Lapu City! One more time! Wow! Kahit kami ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan, maasahan. Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan. Salamat! Salamat sa iyo, kaibigan ko. Salamat sa iyo,